Next Thursday,
Coffee?
Me?
Yeah.
sparks will fly.
Fireworks.
First on an all-new Station 19.
You seen a 14-year-old kid?
No, I think we're missing one.
I'm going in to look for him.
Don't go in!
Sometimes being a hero
Stand down and wait for us.
means breaking the rules. Then, on an all-new Grey's Anatomy,
You know, I didn't dump you. You know, if you miss me.
can their relationships survive the truth?
I'm sorry. I lost your engagement ring.
There's a chance that you aren't the father.
It all starts next Thursday at 8/7 Central on ABC.